wherever you are, however you're feeling. You're not here by accident. Life can leave us tired, wounded, and carrying more than we were meant to hold. Sometimes the pain is visible, and sometimes it's hidden deep within the heart. My child, I see you. I see the tears no one else notices. I hear the prayers you don't have words for. I want you to hear this song, which is a reminder that healing is not something you have to earn or force. Healing flows from God's love, His presence, and His peace. As you listen, allow yourself to breathe. Release the weight you've been carrying. Let your heart rest in my care. Whether you are believing for physical healing, emotional restoration, or peace of mind, know this: you are not forgotten, and you are not alone. Receive this moment. Let faith rise gently. And remember, God restores.
I come to you tight and warm, carrying nights full of storms. My heart feels weak and unsure, but I believe you restore. I've tried to stand on my own, fighting these battles alone. I'm laying it down at your door, trusting you heal and restore. You restore my soul once more. You are peace down to by your love I am made whole. Jesus, you restore my soul. You restore my soul once more. Hope is rising like before. In your presence I am whole. Jesus, you restore my soul. I breathe in mercy and grace. I slow down and rest in your pace. Fear doesn't live here anymore. Your perfect love restores. You speak life over my pain, calling my strength back again. I'm not forgotten or ignored. I am held, I am restored. You carry what I can't hold. Your healing never gets old. You restore my soul once more. You are peace down to my core. By your love I am made whole. Jesus, you restore my soul. You are peace down to my core. By your love I am made whole. Jesus, you restore my soul.